Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Acura TL seats. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You'll need a 14mm socket for the main seat bolts and a 10mm socket for some rear seat components. A ratchet, an extension, and a flathead screwdriver are also crucial. For safety, always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal before beginning. This prevents accidental electrical issues or triggering airbag codes. Moving the front seats all the way forward will give you better access to the rear bolts. Now let's tackle the front seats. Begin by sliding the seat completely backward to expose the two front mounting bolts. Use your 14mm socket to remove these. Next, slide the seat all the way forward to access the two rear mounting bolts and remove those as well. With all four bolts out, carefully tilt the seat backward. This allows you to easily reach and disconnect all the electrical connectors located beneath the seat. Once disconnected, you can carefully lift and remove the entire front seat from your Acura TL. Moving to the rear, start with the bottom cushion. Locate the two clips at the front edge, push down on the cushion and pull the clips forward to release it. There might also be one 10mm bolt in the center to remove. Once released, lift out the entire lower cushion. For the seat backrest, you'll find 3 to 5 10mm bolts securing it. After removing these, lift the backrest straight upward to disengage it from its mounting hooks. Carefully maneuver the seat backrest out of the car. Safety is paramount throughout this process. Never turn on your car's ignition while the seats are removed, as this can trigger an SRS airbag warning light. When reinstalling, ensure all wiring harnesses are properly connected and undamaged. Carefully guide the seat belts through their correct slots and ensure they are not twisted. Align the seats precisely with their mounting points before tightening the bolts. Always torque all seat bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for secure fastening. Finally, reconnect your negative battery terminal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.